Good morning. Good morning. That's what I said in Spanish. Are you Hispanic, Moto? That's what I want to know. Are you Hispanic? Good morning, by the way. Morning, Paul. Spanish. Good morning. Oh shit. Are you? Turn off that speaker. I'm letting everybody pull through. No, soy japonés. Well, arigato, bakayaru. Bet you don't know what that means. Morning, Cody. Morning, Angel. Morning, DC. What it do? What it do? What it do? What it do? We're gonna let everybody slide through before I start. Um, clearly we got a lot of things to talk about. Morning, Angel. Thank you for the sub. Thank you. I appreciate it. You're one step at a time trying to pay the bills. Good morning, Jess. New charts? No, it's not new charts. I just have everything off. Morning, Big Joe. I just have everything off for clarity because there's a few things that I want to review. Um, okay. So market open. All right. Everybody's gathering around. So, all right, we have data at 9:45 and we have data at 10 a.m. 9:45 we have PMI and 10 a.m. we have ISM. So, we got about 30 minutes to chop it up and talk about everything what happened yesterday and what resistance levels we're at, where we at on the market. So let's chop it up now. Now that everybody is getting here. All right. So first things first, I have everything off right here. just for clarity, so a cleaner version, just so I can plot the levels that I see. So here, I highlighted this range right here, from 53 like 28 to 53.35 around there. Obviously, market open and we're getting sensitivity to it. So, um, the reason I plotted that, so let's go back in time. Um, this used to be an area of resistance, broke through. We got price chopping around, consolidating, consolidating, consolidating. Finally it tanked. Here, clear rejection, broke through that support, came back, hit resistance, went down, came up, retested a whole bunch of times, and then eventually we get that massive sell-off, massive sell-off. And we are approaching it. We are approaching it today. And look at that. We are approaching it today. And you can clearly see we're having sensitivity to that level. So, it's not to be scared of. It's just something to be mindful of why we're having a rejection here, because when was the last time we tested that area? It was May 28th. So, of course, it took a few days to come right back to it. And obviously, it's approaching its first time in about like a week or something, I think, or maybe more, a week and a half. And of course, it's gonna have sensitivity. Doesn't mean it could reject or it can keep going, but I just have it for clarity purposes. Yo, good morning, Michael. What's up? Good morning, Alan. Good morning, Fat Mac. So we have that for clarity purposes. So that's one thing that I wanted to show you guys. So that we have an area right here from 53.28 to 53.35. I have that highlighted. Um, you know, I'm only doing what the charts tell me to do. If it tells me to go long, I'll go long. If it tells me to go short, I'll go short. But like I said, it's just the area for me um, to take note of. Next thing that I want to review is yesterday's failure. Um, Yesterday's failure has been all in my head all day yesterday and today in the morning. And I don't like losing, bro. Everyone give Timu Gabe a like. That's right. Timu Gabe a like. um, so this right here, that shit has been haunting me all day yesterday and today. Um, yeah, you shouldn't let. I'm not, it's not affecting my life, but you feel me? I don't like losing, bro. And I take this shit serious, dude. I take trading serious. This is my shit, bro. And I always want to get better, bro. And the people who get better at anything are the fucking psychopaths. That's just what it is. The people who get better are the psychopaths. And um, I, I, I really, really, really want to get better. I really want to get better. Um, so yesterday I completely overtraded. Overtraded completely. Um, the only thing I can say positively about the overtrading that I did yesterday was that I didn't enter randomly on the chart. I entered it based on the system. I guess I just couldn't handle being stopped out. Um, so for example, well now we have the new charts. So yeah, this is the version 6 of Titan AI. V5, you know, there's great candles here. In hindsight, yeah, you shouldn't have taken a trade there, but in the last version, it was green. So obviously, my first trade, yeah, we got what is it, 10 a.m. data. broke above the predictive level, exploded through. I came back and waited for the retest of the opening range to get in, which is a good price. Then I can't control price action just fucking vomiting and stopping me out. That was one. Um, Second one was here. I believe it was here. The break above the 200. Um, I got a break. We got a bounce off the 48, came back up, and I entered right here above the 200. This wick, big ass wick, stopped me out. Can't do nothing about it. Third trade, um, I think it was like right here. Yeah, third trade was right here. I didn't wait for candle close, but I saw it. It was green and everything was green. It was green, of course, at the time. So I entered there. Then I got stopped out. That was the fourth one. There's another one, but I forgot. Moral of the story is that I got chopped up like a fucking sushi roll, bro. Morning, Mike. Point is that I got chopped up like a fucking California roll, bro. And I don't like that shit. But the thing is, yeah, in hindsight, you can see that price is chopping away. It's very hard to identify chop unless you're in it. So, I overtraded yesterday. I did 5 trades. I don't like that shit. Um, so we're gonna be more disciplined today. Obviously, I'm gonna trade the same way. Or we're gonna limit it from 2 to 3 trades. Cut it, cut it. That was yesterday was a failure of overtrading 5 trades. Too many, too many, too many. But then again, after the morning, Power Hour came and did exactly what we wanted to do way later, and I fucking hate that shit, bro. That shit irks me. What's up, E? That shit irks me, bro. So I'm gonna take it more serious. I really, really, really want to win. Um, um, One thing also that I'm gonna start doing new starting today, I am going to start logging my trades manually. Sure, I can pay for TradeZella, but I don't feel like spending the $49 on TradeZella. And I don't log my trades. I used to, not no more. But this time I am because I don't want to lose, bro. And I want to get better. I want to get better. I want to get better. No matter the cost, I don't give a shit what I have to do, but I want to get better. So I am gonna log all of my trades along with screenshotting the picture of the setup that I took and put it in a folder and separate that between winners and losers. And of course, we have the ticker, the date, type of play, entered at 10:05, going long, XL, green, candles green, everything else green. If you have what's the plan, number of shares or whatever contracts, uh, you can disregard that. If it's a win or loss, what's the gain, update of the play, and what is the risk reward? And just log every trade. After I finish trading, I will log it here and then review what trades did I take, how can I improve, what did I do good. So starting today, I'm gonna start doing this manually. Manually. Basically writing down everything, going through the whole entire trade of how I did it and what I'm doing to get better or what did I do that I fucked up. So there's that. There's that. Um, okay. So that was my morning rant. That was my morning rant. Um, Anybody here, did any of you guys get chopped away yesterday here between the hours of 9:50 all the way till 11? Um, how many trades did you take? Um, how many times you got stopped out? if you won on the day somehow. How was your guys' day? Morning, Jerry. What's up, bro? So how was your guys' day yesterday? How did you handle getting chopped out yesterday? How did you handle that experience? Hopefully you did better than me, because I'm being completely honest. I did fucking terrible, bro. I took 5 trades. I fucked up. I'm not like I'm gonna own up to that shit. I fucked up. I took 5 trades. I overtraded. I should have stopped at three. At three. Should have stopped at three. So Cody got chopped on 2 trades, recovered in power hour. Oh my god, Cody. I for a fact you recovered on power hour. Angel break even. That's good. That's amazing, Angel. I would have loved to be in break even. Um, let's see. Randy, I did buy, made it all back plus some later in the day. Of course, yes. And this fucking ginormous move, congratulations that you got that play. We finally broke out of it. Oh, another thing that I want to say. But before I say, I want to see what you guys are telling me. Jess, 3 losses. And that's okay. Jess, that's okay. I had 5. You're doing better than me. I should have stopped at 3. I should have stopped at 3. So you did great, Jess, as long as you mitigate your risk and have your stop loss. We're playing the long game. Um, Mike took 1 trade and chopped and lost, waited and got it at the end of the day for 900 plus. Amazing, Mike. Amazing, bro. You're a fucking beast, bro. You're a fucking beast, bro. E lost 1R, was up 1R on the first trade, then lost 1R on the next 2. So lost 1R, was up 1R, so that's break even. Then lost 1R on the next 2. Okay, so you're down 2R. If I'm reading that correctly, you're down 2R. Okay. So one thing that Gabe told me yesterday, that we're gonna apply today, he told me to stop looking at all the other time frames because we live on the 5. And he told me the maximum that I can look at is up to the 30-minute. That's what he said. So I have no choice but to listen. If he told me, if he specifically told me to not look at the other time frames and to not go past the 30-minute, and that's what I'm gonna do. So the most we can look at, that's it. I mean, what's okay? We're not doing nothing. See, look at, hey, bro, hey. Oh my God! If only I was as good at trading in plotting support and resistance, bro. That shit fucking respected it to the T, to the T. Clear rejection off of it. Of course, because it's gonna be the first time in like a week and a half or a week that we approach this area. So obviously there's gonna be sensitivity to it. Don't be alarmed if we just keep on selling off because we hit this, or we test it here, EMAs hold it, come back for the second push to see if we can break past it. Alan, 5 trades, 2 losses. My losses were bigger than my winnings, so I was negative for the day. Alan, too many trades. 5 trades, too many. At least in my opinion. 5 trades, too many. I took 5 trades as well, and that was over trading. 2 to 3. Kill that shit, bro. Kill that shit. Um, so what was I saying? 30-minute. So he told me I can't look past the 30-minute. So I guess that's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do. So clearly, the 30-minute is bullish. Clearly, 15-minute clearly is bullish. So when we trade today, we can look at the 15 and the 30, no more. So if price is coming down, obviously we're gonna be mindful of 24 EMA and 48 EMA on the 15, and same thing on the 30 as well. You know, we have support right here on these EMAs, and we're gonna pay attention to that too. Oh, the 945. Wait, oh, the data passed already. That was what, the PMI. So we have ISM next. So, it didn't do much. It didn't do much. So now I wait for 10 to see what ISM does. And now we just sit on our hands and wait to see what the charts tell us to do. Oh, by the way, um I don't feel that bad because yesterday I was saying that I trade my PAs in groups. So yesterday's group got chop suey on that 5 trades. So unfortunately, group one took a big hit. I gotta do something about that. When I come back to trade, the next time I trade it would be Friday. Today I'm trading group two. Um, wait, today group two. Wait, today's Wednesday. Yeah, today group two. Group three is tomorrow, and then group one is on Friday. So I won't trade group one again. That got um that crashed out. I won't trade it till Friday. So, but um on that group one, that's where I play my mini on group one. On group two and three, I'm playing micros. I'm playing 3 micros on my big boy account. Um, so I'm not trading a mini. I'm not trading a mini today. I'm trading 3 micros. So losses in P&L will be smaller, but I just have you know, I use group one to trade a little bit more riskier. And then group two and three are more chilling. So that way, if losses pile up, they're small, and I can lift the trade another day. But I have what's good, Mauro? Came in to give a like. What are you doing? You came in just to give a like? Are you not trading today? What are you doing? Okay, we got to break below 48. I'm gonna be patient. I'm gonna wait till 10 a.m. That's fine. Oh, you're working tomorrow? You work through the day? I thought you had no life like me. You got in on a trade design? Um, that's a good trade. There's a predictive level right here though. Wait, let me predictive level right there. So I'm just gonna wait till 10 a.m. That's fine. I'm just gonna wait till 10 a.m. I'm gonna be a little bit more conservative today. I'm not trying to repeat the same mistakes as yesterday. I'm good off that, bro. If anybody wants by the way, do you guys want this right here? I can put it on market chat, the link to it, so you can have it. if you guys want it. So you can start logging your trades. That's what I'm gonna do. Log the trades, and screenshot the play and organize it in two folders, winners and losers. Write down every detail, and when I'm done trading, write it all down and read it over and review, and we're just gonna repeat that every single day until we get better. Until we get better. It's one thing I noticed, like talking to different traders and listening to different traders like on YouTube and stuff like that. There's one thing I noticed that this shit takes a while. Right? Like trading takes a hot minute for it to start making sense. Like, a few years, like 3 to like I would say like 3 to 4 is probably the average time where um that light bulb is like, oh, I think I get it. There are those like super geniuses that get it within like a year and 2 years. But for normal people like me, I'm a fucking average Joe. I'm not a fucking super genius or nothing. I'm just very persistent. Very persistent. I know what I like. This is my shit, and I'm not gonna stop. I don't give a fuck how many times I fall down. I'm gonna get up. I'm gonna get up. I'm gonna get up. I'm gonna get up. Um, um, so just a normal person like me, the first, 1, 2, 3 years, I'm gonna be on year three in trade in July. Um, now is when I'm getting better. It's it took me this long to get me to like this level, and I'm like mediocre. I'm a mediocre ass trader. I'm not even good at all. Like I lose more than I win. So, I mean, I just accepted it that it's gonna take time. I mean, the 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 faster you are at accepting that you're gonna eat shit in the market, the the more peacefulness and less anxiety you have trading. Just take that shit one day at a time, try to get better, and that's pretty much it. Working every day but got lots of free time at work takes patience too. Yeah. Yeah, Mauro. Uh I'm saying your name in English, Mauro. It's Mauro. And your name is Spanish, Mauro. Mauro, where are you from? I feel like, let me take a guess. Mauro. That sounds like Central American. Are you from like Honduras or something? I'm taking a wild guess. Mauro Esquivel. I'm taking a wild guess. Like, are you from like Honduras or like Costa Rica? Roll that are sugar? Roll that are sugar. What does that mean? Roll that are sugar. Texas? Well, obviously, I mean, I can say that I'm from Florida. I'm talking about your parents, dude. But I get it. I get it. I understand. Yeah, it's a good thing that I didn't take the trade design because I would have been stopped out. I would have been stopped out. Let me get this ready. By the way, guys, enough about me. What's the how long have you guys been trading? That's what I want to know. How long have you guys been trading? I want to know what's the average time of the people that's watching. What's the average time of how long people have been trading, trying to figure this out? I mean, it has to be like a year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. Oh, you're okay. Your family's from Mexico? Well, I was close. I was a continent away. Is Central America a continent? No, I guess not. I guess a region because they don't. Central America is not considered to be a continent. A continent would be Mexico, Central America, and South America. So I guess a region. Oh, close enough. Right, right. I'm right underneath. Fat Mac, 8 months. E on and off for 2 years. I'm no gay, but 2 years. My first trade of the day was consolidation at the top. Downside. Starting 2012, 2 years. Took it back up in 2020. Trading a whole 3 months. Damn, night. A whole 3 months. Paul, 2 years. Damn, night. You're a rookie. That's okay though. We have to start sometime, dude. We have to start sometime. If I can go back and tell myself from 3 years ago. By the way, guys, we got 2 minutes for data. If I can go back in time and tell myself 3 years ago of how I should trade, I think the best advice that nobody wants to hear is to paper trade for like a fucking year. Or maybe two to not lose any money. Or if you are gonna use real money, it's like $1, $5, $10 at a time trading. Um, but here's the thing: the big losses are very, very necessary for growth. All of us are gonna pay our market tuition that we owe to the market. Everybody does. For example, uh, Gabe, when he started, he told me that he lost 50K trading when he first started, to trying to figure it out. It's a fucking big loss, bro. I mean, thankfully, well, I mean, I guess I'm up there. I don't. He didn't tell me if it was like it was one trade or after like a year or something like that. But I mean, I'm close to that. I'm like 30K deep, like in 3 years. So I guess I'm pretty close to that. Paper trade, then do stocks, then try options, futures. Southern Streams, 3 years. Yep. Big Joe, 2 years. Jerry, 2 years. Oh, we got data. All right, guys. Damn! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Hold your ankles. Let me hold my ankles. All right, so obviously we're gonna wait for this noise to get away. Thank God. See, thank God I didn't trade. So thank God I gave myself the talk today. Hey, do better, do better. So we got the rejection off right here. Let's see if she wants to. Damn, I fucked up. You know, I just noticed I marked this resistance level, but I didn't go back and see, what can I use like as like a support? Probably like I would probably say like around here or something like that. Um, all right, so now we wait, guys. Now we wait. There's nothing to do right now. We're gonna wait for this fucking craziness to go away. System is telling us to go short, but obviously common sense is gonna override it, and common sense is gonna tell you to wait. So we're gonna wait and see what happens because anything can happen. Anything can happen. All right. So today we're gonna do better. We're going to do better. Be confident in the trades that you're gonna take. Be mindful of whatever level is there, and do not overtrade. Do not overtrade. 3 trades max. 3 trades max. That's what we're aiming for today. Took the short to the 200, but that was an ugly wick. You uh Rafael, you got your fill to the 200, dude. Damn, bro, that was ballsy, bro. What's a time frame to wait when data releases? Um, night. Uh, Probably. I mean, just like 5 minutes after, we're just letting this candle just do its thing, and we'll see what she does. I mean, I give it like 5-10 minutes around there, depending how it looks. But for sure, you know, at 10 a.m. the data drops. Let that 5 minute candle do its thing. Just let that bitch do its thing, and after 5 minutes, you reevaluate what you want to do. I was already in a trade prior to that candle, Rafael. Um, that's true. If you took it right here, then yeah, if you took it to the 200, that's dope. But I mean, Rafael, um, if this shit would have reversed and gone up, your stop would have not gotten filled. Your stop is not fast enough to cover um price action that fast. So just be careful, bro. Just be careful. So we got 40 seconds left to the next candle. Everything is red. Okay, so um that volatility is dying down a bit. Let's see what the next candle does. It held on that level. It held on that level. The trend is still red, so oh nice. Very nice. Let's see what happens. Let me see if I can get a little pullback to over here. All right, game time. Game time. Let's see what's gonna happen. Yeah, I gonna thug it out. Yeah, if you took that short and you got it around there, get out at the 200, bro. Get out at the 200, bro. I mean, it's already probably too late for me now. Maybe. Unless this is like a replay of 2 streams ago. 2 streams ago. If it's a replay of 2 streams ago, you know, it can get caught at the 200, bounce back. I'll take a short at the 48 to come back to the 200. That's what happened 2 streams ago. That's what happened. It came down to the 200 and I didn't get out at the 200. And it got bought back up and it came back to the 48. So it's a little too late for me now. I should have got in, when it was over here. So can't control when price moves fast as shit like that. You just gotta shoot your shot and aim for that bitch and hit it. Took the retest down to the predictive level, stops at break even. Nice one, Cody. You got filled, Angel. Good shit, bro. Good shit, Morrow. I'm still chilling. Damn, they're cucking their ability to trade. So I'm gonna wait for. Obviously, it's too late for me to get into the 200. I missed my opportunity. I had like, I literally had like 3 seconds to make my mind and take a position right there where I wanted to the 200. I mean, I can't control it with price moves fast, shit like that. I wanted to see what was going on. I had like 3 seconds, so hey, it is what it is, bro. If you miss that trade, don't feel bad because I missed it. I mean, you literally had 3 seconds to fucking make a decision, take that short, go down, be done. That's we're not fast, bro. Good shit, Big Joe. Congratulations to everybody that got to the 200. I'm happy for you. You didn't hesitate, you took your shot, and you got paid. Meanwhile, the people who have not taken the trade yet and missed it like me, well, I'm gonna be patient now. Now Price is vomiting, and I'm not gonna get into that nonsense. Well, clearly we got the fucking nasty rejection from up here. So, what I want to wait for, we got the break of the 200, and we got a 1348 cross. Let me see, can I get a retest to let's see what's up. Let's see what's up. Thankfully, I didn't get at the bottom of the candle. We got a break of the 200, and we're gonna see what's up. This is the first trade of the day here. Ideally, the better entry would be around here at the top of this level right here, but you never know when it's gonna happen. So, I got in at the break. I didn't get at the bottom of the candle because usually when you break the 200, you're gonna get a pullback to the 200. So we're gonna thug it out and see what happens. Um, what do you mean, Mauda? I got candle close. This was candle close right here, and that's the candle that I got in. Um, this candle, well, yeah, technically it's still open, but I mean, I waited for this candle close to be below the 200. Tomato, tomato. First trade stopped out. So let's hold that there. And now we're gonna wait for this candle. Let's see if the 200 holds it down. So that's one trade. The initial drop was too massive. Safer bet is to miss it or wait for a complete body close over a partial. Complete body close or a partial. Yeah, it's all right. Let's see what this candle does if it stays above the 200. And maybe we can get an entry closer to the 48 because we got a 1348 cross. And remember how we um we were talking about every time the 1348 crosses. So the 1348 crosses price action comes back to retest the EMAs to reconfirm strength and to see if it wants to give the next leg down. So ideally, if we can get, something around this area, that would be great. I think it's going to pull back by the ribbon and then die again. I'm waiting for now. It's short season. All right, good luck, Mike. I need to concentrate too, dude. Um, so if whoever's just listening and concentrate at the same time, I'm just talking over, my trade on what I see. It would be an amazing entry if I can get a pullback to the EMAs and enter there. So right now we wait. We're down we're down 16 ticks right now. So of course, in order to break even, I need 16 ticks. In order to be in profit, obviously I need more than 16 ticks. Preferably a good 25, a good chunk over. So we got bought back up from the 200. All right, this is too far away from the EMAs for me to be comfortable enough to take another trade. I prefer to be as close to the EMAs as possible. You're changing to MNQ model? Good luck, bro. Good luck. I'm gonna enter at 53.17. I want to pull back to that price right there. your bias is going to the upside on MNQ Moto, on MNQ, right? Because we're looking bearish on ES. All right, so price is coming on back. I'm still not gonna take a short. I'm gonna be very selective what the price I want to go in. I want something around here. I want something around there. If I can't get that, I'm not trading. I'm not trading. If I can't get something around here, I'm not taking that. Just be very selective on what trades you want to take. Um, Even if price would break below the 200 again, it's still too far from the EMAs for my taste, and I don't want to trade that. I don't want to trade that. So, I'm gonna be selective. I'm gonna be one stingy motherfucker. I'm not gonna fucking put my money in jeopardy on a setup that I don't want. I want here. And if I don't get it, oh well. Fuck it. I don't give a shit, bro. Doe, you still haven't made a trade? Good. 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 You know, I took my trade here because we got candle break and the open below the 200. So that's why I decided to, because we broke the 200. So that's why I decided to go in because we got a break of the 200, candle finish, and candle opened right there. But the moment nothing looks good, yeah, MNQ. Other than Moto's candy ass, yep. Moto's candy ass. By the way, guys, VWAP is right here. I have VWAP on another chart, but VWAP is right there, and we broke below VWAP, and we're coming back to test VWAP again. Just so you guys know. Just so you guys know. And here comes my boy, Never Trade News. We got some people that traded news here. I'm not gonna snitch though. If you guys want to snitch yourselves out, go ahead and say that you traded news. But yeah, a good majority of us didn't trade the news. So we're almost coming to the short where I want to take. I want to take a short around here. The closer I am to the EMAs, the more comfortable I am risking my money because that way I know I'm playing it tight. And 13, we got a clear 1348 cross. It could come there to retest, to reconfirm, and make another leg down. If the charts tell me somewhat to do. So we just retested the 13. Let me see. We touched the tip of the 13. We touched the tip of the 13. Can I get can I get 5318? Can I get 5318? Can I get 5318? Nah, I'm not gonna get any yet. I'm gonna wait a little bit. See what it does. Is see if it tests opening range. See if opening range is gonna reject it. But just be mindful. Well, Tiny Eye is cautioning us yellow. But technically we're still going short. So just be mindful of that. Tiny Eye is flashing yellow, but everything else is red. Ugh. Everything else is red. Red XL, red RSI, red trend thrust. We're good. So we're still going short. So price is coming up. Oh, I like this price. I like this price. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. Not yet. Not yet. Damn, we're being bought back up like crazy. Well, well, shit. Damn. This is a well. It got to the price where I want it, and now, mm, do I want to take the trade? Rafael, how about a retracement to the EMA? Will you take that? Lexi, I'm late, but here. Oh, what's up, Lexi? No, you take a trade design. That is all. All right. Well, you heard him. We take the trade design, and that is all. Obviously, we're being bought back up. So there goes our short thesis, and we're now we wait for the next trade design, which we just crossed XL. All right, well, there you go. There you go. Okay, now we wait some more. Um, because now EMAs are pointing up. We're gonna wait some more. Well, there goes our short thesis. We just broke above all the EMAs, got bought back up by 200 and the EMA ribbon. So yeah, time to wait some more. So now we're gonna wait for the trade design. We're gonna wait for this trade design, crossing XL. So now we're gonna wait some more, guys. Today we are practicing patience. Oh, boss said that we're biased to the upside. Mauto, where did he say that? Where did he say that, Mauto? And now we got a 1348 cross. All right, guys. Short time is over. We're back to going long. Well, the 48 EMA on the 30-minute held the bitch down. So, Gabe, if you're still here, I didn't go on any other time frames more than the 15 and the 30, just like you said. So that's what I did. And that's what I told everybody too. Don't go past the 15 or the 30. So that's what I'm doing. Rule of the 200, boss. Jess, new trade design. Yeah. Yep. That's what we're waiting for now. We're waiting for the new trade design. So we're gonna color coordinate everything. Everything got to be green, and then we'll take the trade design. So I know we got rejected right here by this right here, but don't be scared to take it. Don't be scared. Just manage your risk. You don't know what the next candle is gonna do. For all we know, yeah, sure, this is resistance level, and a new trade design can happen, and we can fucking blow past this shit. We, we don't know that. So this area is just to be mindful of. But if you get a new trade design, take it. take it. So now we're waiting some more. Fat Mac, how about I had my trade set up with a TP 650 and SL 200. Next thing I know, my order doesn't get filled. I'm down 386. Moral of the story, don't trade data. Fat Mac, bro, I you don't trade data, bro. It doesn't matter if you have a stop loss on data. The stop loss is not going to hit faster than millions of dollars coming into the market from algorithms. It's not going to be faster. Yeah, E. If this trade designs turn green, you can enter. Most definitely. NQ 5, 15, and 30 are bullish. ES 15 and 30 were bullish. Only enter, and only the 5 on ES was bear. Yeah, that's right. But right here would have been a great entry. This would have been a good trade, just this one candle. But then again, you know, like I said before, like you had like 3 seconds before price vomited to the 200. You stop that and you're out of there. Like literally, I was literally said I want to short around here. The new candle form, it opened here, and I'm like, damn, do I want to short it? Let me see, because we just had this data candle. I'm gonna see, and next thing you know, price just vomited down. I didn't even like had time to think about it, so I can't fault myself for that. I mean, then we had a break of the 200 because I'm playing on the 5, and then I entered here. I got stopped out, but hey, I managed my risk. 16 ticks. Shoot or shoot. Next trade, gotta be smarter. That's all. That's all we can do. Lexi, data can rip your face off. Absolutely, Lexi. Absolutely, data can rip your fucking face off. That's why I don't trade data. I used to trade data like well, like fucking 4 or 5 months ago. But then again, I wasn't as good at trading as I am now. I mean, not that I'm fucking good at trading. I'm fucking terrible, bro. I'm fucking terrible at trading. Yeah, but at least I own up to that shit. All right, we got ball back up. No new trade design yet. So, oh, there you go. New trade design. Flashing, flashing. There you go. Now we got the new trade design. Plus our bias is bullish due to the 200. Um, Brian, my job interview, it went well. I got the job. All right, so we're flashing. Yeah, I'm gonna take the trade design, bro. Why is my stop all the way down there? Wait, did I go short? Did I go short? Son of a bitch. I went short. Ah, ah, thank God I caught that. It's a close one. That was a close one. Let me follow trade design. I'm gonna put time. I'm gonna put my risk. I'm gonna follow Titan AI. I'm gonna put my risk right above it at 53.19. 53.19.25. Let's do 1.5. That's 1.5. Okay. We're following the trade design. Oh, so basically the 1.5 aligns to this predictive level. So what did we say before? No fucking around and find out. X-Ray, congrats. Congrats. Thank you, bro. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Yeah, so I gotta do like drug tests and do the whatever process. So I'm probably gonna start like on Monday. But I mean we're gonna be good because I can still hang out. I don't get until so that's fine. Yeah, so I'm gonna move my stop. I'm gonna move my stop again. So now we're testing opening range and we're testing this resistance level. Let's see if we can break. I'm gonna tighten up this risk. I'm gonna tighten up this risk. So, okay, here's the part where we said, I know that there's a resistance level. Are we gonna fuck around and find out? Yo no sé. So, we are gonna go break even. I'm gonna go to break even. I'm gonna go to break even. Okay. 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 Do I want to be green on a day? I think I do. I think I want to be green on a day. Let me target this top of the candle. I want to be green on a day, so we're gonna do that. And I'm just gonna choke it right there. I'm leaving with something. So I'll be in profit if I get up here. And I'll be straight. I'll be straight. And got filled. Okay, there we go. I wasn't gonna fuck around and find out. I'm green for the day. That's all that matters. I'm green for the day. That's all that matters. Check out MNQ. Okay, I can check out MNQ. So I'm green for the day. If you I hope you guys took the trade design, by the way. I hope you guys took the trade design. Um, yeah, I mean, I could have probably still been in the, still held this trade, but I mean, I wasn't gonna fuck around and find out. I already know that we're in a resistance level here. We got rejected, clear rejection right there, and we're approaching it again. Uh, I'm gonna practice what I preach and just take the money. At least I'm green for the day. Let me look at MNQ. Damn, that shit bullets, dude. You took it, Lexi? Yeah. Yeah, I wasn't gonna fuck around and find out. Nice. Thank you, Jeff. I didn't know candle close until I was almost to 101. No candle close. Um, I feel you, E. I feel you. Yeah, MNQ's popping. MNQ is popping. So yeah, we're already getting sensitivity here, so I wasn't gonna fuck around and find out. I just decided to take the money. So by the way, in or in um because I'm being transparent right now, I thought I was in profit. I'm not. I'm actually like up like 63 cents. Well, I mean, technically you can say I'm in profit, but but I got the money back that I lost from here, and I pressed the wrong button going short right here. So that fucked me up. That cut into my fees, but luckily I bought it around the same price. All good. Don't worry. No worries. I'm break even for the day. Um, so how did you guys do? One loss, one win, 2,400 profit. Thank you, 1348. Good shit, Alan. Good shit, bro. You're a fucking animal. You're clearly an animal if you're profiting that much. Remember when I said swap? When I said swap to it, I got in on the trend design. When I said gonna swap to it, I was biased to the upside. That's a little bit complicated, Mauro. Um, 258 with that one. Good shit, Lexi. Good shit. Um, me, I have nothing to gloat. I have nothing to show off. I'm break even. Well, I'm up 63 cents. Round of applause for me. I'm up 63 cents. So, look at that. That's why I took the money, guys. Like we're approaching um hello, why isn't this working? Okay. See, we're approaching here. Obviously there's gonna be sensitivity to it, so I decided to take the money. Like I said before, we got a massive sell off at that level and another sell off right here. So there's more over there. So, um, yeah, that's why I decided to take it. I decided to be mindful of where I'm at in the chart and I decided to take it. Remember my rant that I said, if you're up money and you're approaching a level and you're up, take the money. So I decided to take the money. Lexi, we might get another setup long. Lexi, nah, you played that great, bro. Yeah, bro. I think I did pretty good. I think I did pretty good taking that. Mauro, nah, bro. We were chatting about it, and I was saying like M&Q bias on indicators, but waiting. Oh, okay, I got you. Yeah, and yeah, I mean, I get it when you said that we're biased to the upside, on ES, because the only thing that was bearish was the 5 minute. Um, so I get it. I get you, bro. Fernando took the candle down at 10:05 to the 200, took the profit. Now the trade design took the profit again. Thanks. That's it for the day. Good shit, Fernando. You had the balls to take it to the 200, and you reacted fast to take it to the 200, dude. Big Joe up 11%. Got way more than I deserved. Yep, absolutely, bro. You absolutely got way more than you deserve, dude. You absolutely did. You absolutely did. So, I'm seeing that, a lot of us took the trade design. I know E that you waited for candle close. E, I think yes, candle close is ideal, and candle close is a very good reconfirming thing to do. Because we did have Tiny AI flashing. And I know you wanted to wait for candle close, but sometimes you have to put some discretion on the play because the trade design, it flashed green, but our ribbon was green, RSI was green, trend thrust was green. So and we got bought back up, did a 1348 cross here, and basically playing the EMAs, and EMAs are pointing up. So you had your cue to go. Um, Yeah, I know you want to wait for candle close, and I wait for candle close too, but I use it like discretionary. Like, you know, there's certain times that I wait for candle close. But this time right here, it was a time to act fast. Like how it happened here, to act fast. Well, this time I acted fast because everything was green. Got a trade design, got in basically at the trade design. I'm going in. If indicators are green, it is okay to go with the trade design, especially when it crosses XL. Yeah. So you had multiple factors. You had cross of XL, 1348 cross, green RSI, green Trentus, green ribbon. Just take it. We have to be fast. We have to be fast. I know that we preach patience, but there's the fine line of patience and acting fast. But I mean that's we're gonna get better. We're gonna get better. Um, I got better here. Here, I should have acted fast. I hesitated. I didn't take it. I would have won. Here, play happened fast. This time, I'm fucking taking it because I missed this fast move. Everything agreed. I'm taking that shit, bro. So I was learning from my past mistake of everything was red. So we could have took the play. I hesitated. Everything is green. I didn't hesitate. So that's why I took it. Jerry, 2 wins and done for a day. Peace out, Jerry. Good shit, bro. Good shit. Ugh. Good shit. So right now I'm at break even. So basically, nothing gain, nothing lost. So now is where we're getting, of course, sensitivity here. This is going to be the second time we retest this area right here. Um, and we have yet to break through it. Not enough momentum to break through it. So thankfully, we took the money exactly how we preached. So now we wait to see what happens. Um, did anybody not take the trade design? Did anybody not take the trade design? Did you hesitate? It's it's an open discussion, open community. If you didn't take it, let me know, and I want to know why. Why didn't you take it? Oh well, I mean, I know that, but thank you for engaging. Um, Next time, take it. Be fast. Um, I'm probably gonna hang out a bit and see if I can take another trade. I mean, I'm good. I'm good right now. Um, 2 trades so far, so good. I can take one more trade, and that would be the end of it. Oh, and of course, I have to log what did I take. So obviously, um, first trade, I choked. That's what happened. I choked. So I have to write that down and take a picture of it, store it. Next one, I didn't choke. Everything was green. Took it to the resistance level, cut it out. Still broke. Not me. I'm still pissed for I myself for not respecting data. And good. Um, Good for you that that happened. Why? Because I feel like we need to eat a massive pile of shit for us to learn our mistakes. Um, that's how some people learn. I guess that's how I learned too. Um, I've eaten a mountain of shit trading for doing stupid decisions. And if I look back at it, yeah, I'm grateful for it. Why? Because it was a learning lesson to not put my hand on the stove again. So you'll be all right, still broke. You'll be all right. Tomorrow's another day. Tomorrow is another day. Just like yesterday, I overtraded, did 5 trades. Um, Horrible performance. Had a bad day. Today was a good day, meaning that I recovered from my losses. I'm break even. So there's gonna be bad days and there's gonna be good days, and today was my good day. Today was my good day, in a sense. Today was my good day in a sense. Um, yeah. So I don't know what else. Hmm, I don't know what other plays will be in store for us. It came, retested the 13, bounced off, coming back up. That would have been a great scout. And now we wait. I'm gonna give it some time, see what it wants to give me. If it doesn't want to give me nothing anymore, then we'll end the day. Yeah, still broke. Still broke. It's all good, bro. Trust me, bro. You're fine, bro. There's like literally no point of getting upset about it. Well, I mean, yeah, be upset about it because I was upset about yesterday, but that I used that emotion to get better. I used that emotion to get better. That's what I'm doing today. We're gonna get better, and I'm gonna be way more professional and take it because you can always take it up a notch. You think you're doing good, you can do better. You think you're doing good, you can do better. And today I did better, and I'm gonna log my trades. And after I'm done with stream, um, it's a good thing that I'm have these streams. I can review film, see where I fucked up, write it down, and collect enough data to see what's good and what's bad. Probably, I would say once I fill my sheet up with like 100 trades, I probably am gonna have an idea of what setups not to take and what not to take. Um, so I'm very excited about that. So far, 2 trades down. I have 98 more to go. Eventually, I'll get there. So if I take like 2, 3 trades a day, how many days would that take me? Let me see. 3 times 3 divided by 100 divided by 3. It would take me about like a month and a week to fill up that log of 100 trades and screenshots and see what's an ideal setup and what is an ideal setup. I think that's what's probably have been missing in my trading career, not logging my shit. Um, I just been using my core memory. Everything that I do, I store it in the back of my head. I'm very good at remembering things. But I think it'll be better to, you know, be 10 times more professional doing this. So Tine AI is already yellow, and we're getting multiple rejections off this resistance level right there. So you would need a big push up to get above that. Yeah, but we're already selling off. Like the 3 minute RSI is about to cross. 2 minute RSI is it's already slowly. slowly selling off. The 1 minute RSI is slowly selling off. That shit's it lost its steam. It lost its steam. Um, Probably like the only. Well, shit. I mean, I'm about to say something that just goes against that contradicts Gabe because he just said it on chat. Well, no, he didn't just say it, but because Rafael asked him, "Oh, do you take the trade design? I mean, do you take the trade on the retracement?" He said, "No, just the trade design." And I was just about to be like, "Oh, you can probably the next trade can be at EMA bounce off at the retracement." So if you're gonna do it, uh, just be careful about it. Just be careful about it. But yes, if you get if you get an EMA bounce, that's those EMA bounces are basically well, GoldenEye pivot points, what it used to do. So coming back here and going back up, that's a pivot point. So that would be the next trade to take if you decide to trade. Let me look at the 50 minute. Um, Now the 50 minute hasn't even gone above its moving average, but it's still bullish. 30 minute, yeah, it's still bullish. 10 minutes still bullish. So I mean, we're still biased to the upside. Like to be honest with you, you're waiting for the next trade design, Jess. I think you should. I think you should. Um, don't listen to any of us has to say. Take the trade designs. The system is there for a reason. And if you're comfortable with taking the trade design, taking the next trade design, then do that. Do your thing. Do your thing. If that's what you feel comfortable with, absolutely do your thing. Yeah, it's holding well above opening range. Let's see if it got some steam to pick up and push again. You know, I like to play CL. Look at that wild fucker today. Massive wicks all day. Mm. Bro, it fascinates me that Jesus! Oh my God! What is that? What is that? Holy shit, bro. That is disgusting. Ugh. You would have been, bro, chopped and sliced into bits, bro. Like I was saying, it still fascinates me that you like playing CL, like, bro. That shit's crazy, bro. You're a little adrenaline junkie, E. God damn. What's MNQ doing? Yeah, still bullish. If MNQ is bullish, ES is bullish. I think that's what Moto said. That MES follows MNQ, something like that. I think that's what he said. I rather play RBOB than CL. What's RBOB? Is that a futures? Gasoline futures? Huh, I never heard of that. Huh, I guess it moves less crazy, right? What is what's 6E doing? I know that 6E is it's the Eurodollar futures, and 6E moves it moves pretty smooth. Um, Probably like I used to play 6E, not anymore, but sometimes those crosses of Titan XL they be hitting like crazy. Like for 6E, I think it's like I think you're good with like 10 tick stop loss, like playing tight. Yeah, yeah, we're not doing nothing. Thank God that I did thank God that I did my morning analysis to figure out what key levels are we approaching, and thank God that I saw this. Because now we're doing a whole bunch of nothing. Just Price doesn't know what to do at this area. Thank God that I got out. Yeah, and we're still selling off. Well, 3 minute hasn't sold off, but it's still slowly. It's a slow bleed sell off. There you go. Now she's doing something. Uh, Price action is way too far for my taste. Even if like a break of this level, I wouldn't take that shit to be honest. Yeah, there's nothing to do here. We're just consolidating in this area. Um, yeah, the two plays of the day, the like literally it was from here to there. Um, but this one like literally had like 3 seconds. This one, I mean, at least it gave you like it gave you like at least a minute or two to get this one. Those were the, I mean, those would have to be the two plays of the morning, pretty much. And then power hours to do something else. Um, Other than that, like, I don't think there's something for me to trade here. Yeah, it's about to break the predict. It's testing this predictive level, but even if it breaks above it, I I would not take that trade. To be honest, we're way too far away, too far gone. We're too far gone. So on the 15 minute, the new candle just formed, and we got a cross of RSI going above its moving average. So we're picking up steam here on the 5 because of the 15. So if you're still on this play, I mean, don't fuck around and find out, take it there. But I don't think anybody's at this point. I don't think nobody's trading right now. But yeah, dude. I think that's pretty much it. There's nothing to do here. I mean, I don't know how long would the next setup would take. I think I'm gonna cut it. So today we're break even for the day. I'm gonna go ahead and log my trades. What did I do wrong? Why did I hesitate? Screenshot it, review, and be done. I think that's about it. Um, if anybody wants this backtest log, I can send it on market chat. If you want it, just say the word. You're out now? Yeah. Plus it's reaching its daily level. Yeah, absolutely. All right, I got some work to do. I'm gonna log this out, close everything out, and be done. Good trading. A lot of us in chat were green, so good for you. I applaud you for that move. I applaud you for this move and that move. You guys are animals. So tomorrow's another day, and we're gonna trade better. Manage your risk, manage your psychology, make sure everything lines up, shoot your shot. That's all we can do. All right, guys.